In this project, our client wanted his cafe to be a quiet, tranquil oasis in a busy shopping mall. They wanted their customers to have some privacy from both passing shoppers and surrounding mezzanine floors above. Metal screens and pergolas were not doing it. What they needed was a green makeover. Starting with 6-metre artificial phoenix palms to give privacy from mezzanine floors above and create a cosy 3D space inside the cafe. Small shelf pots and low, long greenery planters surround and separate kitchen areas. Rubber plants in terrazzo-like troughs provide both a visual screen and mark cafe boundaries. Hanging baskets with lush assorted greenery were hung around the pergola, continuing the green theme. The end result is a cool cafe in the middle of a bustling shopping centre that is a tranquil, private green oasis, meaning full tables of contented customers.